Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Today, we are practicing a very important real-life situation.
Have you ever received the wrong food at a restaurant?
It can be very frustrating, right?
In this video, you will learn how to complain politely.
We will show you exactly what to say to get help.
Listen carefully to the vocabulary and the tone we use.
Are you ready to improve your English? Let's start.
Excuse me, I need some help.
Hello. How can I assist you?
I think my food order is wrong.
I am very sorry to hear that.
I ordered the spicy chicken burger.
Let me check your original receipt.
This plate has a cheese sandwich.
You are right. That is incorrect.
Can you please fix this mistake?
I will talk to the chef now.
Will it take a long time?
It should only take 5 minutes.
I also asked for extra fries.
I see only a small salad.
This meal looks very different today.
We had a very busy morning.
I understand, but I am hungry.
I will bring your fries quickly.
Please make sure they are hot.
Of course, I want you happy.
This drink tastes like plain water.
Did you order the fresh lemonade?
Yes, it should have more sugar.
I will replace that drink immediately.
I will replace that drink immediately. Thank you for fixing these issues.
It is my pleasure to help.
Should I wait at this table?
Yes, please stay in your seat.
Do I need to pay extra?
No, we will cover the cost.
That is very kind of you.
We value all of our customers.
Here is the wrong plate back.
I will take that away now.
I hope the kitchen is ready.
They are working on it now.
My new meal looks much better.
Does everything taste good this time?
Yes, this is exactly what I wanted.
Enjoy your lunch and have fun. And that is how you handle a wrong order.
Great job everyone, you stayed polite but very clear.
Did you learn some new words today?
Try to practice these sentences next time you eat out.
Don't forget to like this video if it helped you.
And subscribe for more daily English practice with us.
Thank you so much for watching today.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.